I generally perform the 3 tricks as a routine like this. Watch the pen carefully. I'll try to make the pen cap vanish. But it doesn't go far. It just goes there. And sometimes it goes for good. And you can check all my pockets. The only way to bring it back is to say the magic spell. I will subscribe at the end of this video. And the pen cap returns. I know it's a long spell. Now let me break down the 3 tricks for you. The first one, where I vanish the pen cap, it's basically I take only the pen body in my right hand as I transfer the pen. The pen cap remains in my left hand. Then I just rotate my hands and put the back of the pen body in the pen cap. And I pretend to take out the pen cap. But there's a beautiful audio illusion. This is created by nail scraping the tip of the pen. So when I do this, it does sound like I actually taking off the pen cap. And then I just give it a squeeze and it vanishes. And I show the pen cap returns. Again, in slow motion, you show the pen is normal. You put it back, but you don't put it back all the way. You want it loose. You show the pen one last time. You cover, transfer only the pen body, rotate, put it in, scrape, blow, vanish, and that's it. And you show the pen cap returns. Everything happens in this single frame, so it's really beautiful. The second trick is called David Williamson's striking vanish. You vanish the pen cap as you strike it. It's basically a momentum move. What you're doing is you're creating an air gap between the pen cap and your hand as you lower your hand. And with the 3 fingers of your right hand, you're scooping the pen cap into your right fist. So it's like this. It's a momentum move, so it's very hard to do it slow motion, but I'll try to do it. You go like this. You drop your hands. Some YouTubers also throw it up, but that's completely wrong. You're supposed to drop it down. So you drop it down, create that air gap and grab it into your fist. You need to warm up a bit before this. That's what I do, and just do that. Now comes the third trick. This is a very smart move. I'm acting like I'm checking my pockets, but secretly I just throw the pen cap into the other hand. I'll show you the back view. So I just check the pockets and I throw the pen cap into my left hand behind my back, and I come back with the pen cap in my hand and I say, to bring it back, you have to say the spell, say abracadabra or something, and you show the pen cap returns. Sometimes I also produce the pen cap from behind my knees and say, oh, so that must mean why they call it a kneecap. Get it?